So at this point, what I'd like to do is go over to Acumatica, and let's go to the sales orders. And I'm going to look for that order that just came through. There it is, 47, the top one. Click on that. So you can see here that all this information was entered. There's my part that was put into place. And so at this point, what I would do, normally, this would go into a queue if this was a real live situation. But what I'm going to do for this purpose is really just take a look at, I'm going to go ahead and confirm the shipment. So we go to my actions and create shipment. It's pulling it from the default warehouse. So at this point, it's creating the shipment. The next step, it's going to move the process to the shipment stage. To complete the shipment, I need to select a package, which is a rule for the carrier in this case. And then at that point, I can go ahead and confirm the shipment. So you see that this order was placed in real time from the Magento website into Acumatica, and now we've updated the order in Acumatica. Now what I want to show is going back to Magento, what I'm going to do is update the order information. So this is the Magento admin panel, and this shows how the connection is made between the Magento front end and Acumatica. You simply put in the URL of the Acumatica instance and provide a username that has administrative rights. And I'm going to go over to the sync settings. These are all the data that are being synced across all of the between the platforms. Normally, this would be in an automatic mode, but I wanted to do this in a manual mode to show how the synchronization works. So we're going to sync up these orders. So all this again will be working in the background. We're just showing you this for the demo to show how the process works. So you see that the order was brought across and it was synced successfully. So now, when I go back to my account screen in Magento, I can see here that the order has been completed. I've got shipping information, tracking number if I need it, and everything is reflected back on the website. So the other thing I want to show back in Acumatica is the other customization that we've done is in the inventory side. So I'm going to take a look at stock items and show you the screen that we did that implements a lot of the e-commerce functionality that we have on the website for stock items. So here's our stock items screen, and this is a standard Acumatica stock items, except that we have created an implementation for e-commerce. So I'm going to select the product here and then go over to my e-commerce tab. So this is a new tab that we've created as a customization to Acumatica that will allow the user to put in all of the basic information as well as extended description and meta information for search engine optimization on the e-commerce side. So all of this is available here on the website, and on the attributes page, take a look at that real quick. This is where we have the image for the product as well as the sales categories. And the sales categories is what's going to drive how the navigation works on the website. So in this case, this particular product is going to be shown under the electronics tab on the website. So you can create a different navigation in Acumatica, and once you publish that to the website, it'll rearrange the navigation order on the website.